Hi, welcome to the 12th and the last part of the ADAS and Government Model and the Government Intervention lecture of the Introduction to Economics lecture series. Um, this lecture series is prepared for the Middle Technical University Northern Cyprus campus. We will have very brief two questions and then I will say goodbye in general for the lecture, for the course. The first question is the graphs will show actually two graphs, but actually they are combined. Total debt and debt to GDP ratio of the USA. Looking to the table, TAL image periods, US debt has increased slowly compared with the growth. So you can see growth has increased in 1940s, 50s, and 60s. However, GDP debt ratio has fallen. So basically, starting from 1944 all the way up to 1976 or 1980 is the period where basically debt has increased at a lower rate than the GDP. It's this simple. Two graphs below, actually, in this case, you see just one graph actually. The graph below shows the total debt of USA. Looking to the table, TAL in each period. Debt, uh, well, USA had a surplus. Actually, this should be raised. Basically, this shows deficit, not debt, and this should be the graph. And then I should write to the graph here. Anyway, well, now you have negative deficit. That's the surplus, which means the period is 1998 and 2002. Or in any other period, since the deficit is positive, USA did not have a surplus. So this is the very end. We have finished this lecture and we have finished the course. I hope you enjoyed this course lectures. I hope the online part. It was kind of the first time I ever taught online. I hope if there are mistakes, I'm sorry for those mistakes. If you want to give me feedback on how to make this better, I'm fully welcome this feedback, and it will certainly help me if I will do this again. Maybe next semester we will need to give the course online again. Again, this time online education was a little bit rushed, and I'm sorry for that on behalf of my institution also. But I don't know. Under these circumstances, maybe we don't have so much choice. I don't know. Maybe if we had choice, if you thought some alternatives to make the online education better, um, we will certainly welcome to that. And in this summer, actually, I will further to actually both online and offline education, how to improve it, the education. Anyway, I wish you much success in the remaining remaining education career if you have education career in the university or this university or other universities, maybe in master or PhD education. If you will graduate this semester and basically go to professional career, I will wish success there too. And as a last thing, let me also wish you, wish that you will stay healthy and also good luck in the for the short term um, in your midterms, basically. Not midterms, finals, basically. So this is that. See you. End of this course.